Exe, this is Lily Shaunola from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. We test relationships. We give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. We give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. Stay tuned. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you're stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating?
Hello. Hi.
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. Sorry to take your time, ne? Is this Uber for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna take 1 minute, ne?
Okay.
My name is Lily Shaunola from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships. So I wanna give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
Yeah. I believe you're dating.
Yeah, I am dating.
What's your name?
I'm Jane.
Jane. My name is Lily Shaunola from CMTV. I test relationships for a living. Okay, get Lara for fun.
Okay.
Yeah. But I give people 1,000 rand if their partners are loyal to encourage them, to be in good relationship, to stay loyal, and also to stay, in a relationship forever. We have a relationship that lasts for 6 years, some 2 months because of cheating and all that. So I believe that you also, in a good relationship. Was John? Please don't tell me was John.
Let's leave that. Let's just test.
I don't trust you. What you just said. Okay. How long have you guys been together with your partner?
2 years.
2 years. When last did you see him?
The day before yesterday.
Okay. And do you have access to each other's phone?
Nah, I get a phone I
You what?
Why?
Hmm.
Because until eke ibatlang obviously get pretty tall, so.
So you are indirectly saying that every
think-
man is cheating.
Yeah, every man is cheating. I mean, mahlo a monna ke o shebe, so you cannot tell me hore ha o cheat le wena.
Nah.
Bona?
Now they know. They know. I don't even have to say. CMTV people know.
Okay.
I've had a show where there was a lot of women around me. A lot of women. But I've never touched anyone. Yes.
Oh, are you a man?
Yes, I'm a man. honey, I have to prove what I'm a man by cheating.
No. I'm just saying, okay, majority ya banna ba cheater. That's how I'm gonna put it, because I'm gonna exclude you from what you just said. So majority ya banna ba cheat. So
No, I'm not. I have cheated before.
Mm?
Yes, I've cheated before.
And it
but
didn't work out.
No, I stopped because I saw it's not a good thing. I cheated before I even do the show. So I'm talking about 10 years ago.
And why were you cheating back then?
Because neke no kgalela nje.
Bon, hence ke tjho hore mahlo a monna. Okay, yeah, monna e mong le mong.
But it's not a good thing.
Yeah, it's not a good thing, but okay.
So okay, now you are making me talk too much. People didn't know that I once cheated. But it was not the cheating. Actually, okay, I was flirting.
Flirting.
Yeah, I was flirting.
Okay, and how did it end up?
Yeah, well, I'm here to interview you, not the other way around.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a long story, but I learned from my experience, and I was like, hey, let me actually turn this into a show. Yeah. Anyway, let's call your man. Let's call your man before we change our mind, because hey, you are very active.
Very.
So una le batho ba bakae?
Ke na le banna ba bakae? Ke na le monna o one.
Kopa fa ka number phone tsa ka re mo founela.
Okay.
Simphiwe, how are you? Wa cheat le wena?
Ha ona monna sa cheating ke nna.
Go phinda ba zo cheat. There are men
convince otherwise.
No. There are so many men who don't cheat. What's uncertain to how?
Although Tolodi is probably on top of someone and all. Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
What am I gonna?
Hello. How are you? You are speaking to Lee. You are speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we test relationships. I'm here with your partner. We want to ask you a few questions to check if you're loyal. If you're loyal, your partner's gonna get 1,000 rand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
She's dark skin.
Ooh.
How long have you been together?
I'm not sure, but I think it's 8 months.
Okay. When last did you see her?
Sorry?
When last did you see your partner?
Last night.
What is your partner's name?
Amanda.
Woo! Sefebe, untlela masipa wena. Amanda ke mang?
Yo.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, ke mang he Amanda?
What Nana Lena last night?
You last night, ke mo the day before. He wena.
Son.
You rekisa pipi. Oh, no, not the day before yesterday, and then yesterday you were with Amanda. What?
What
And he's saying Sando Sam for what?
What
Enge?
Amanda told me
I guess it na the day before yesterday, and then yesterday he was with Amanda. What do you call that? Uskampaphela ke mang wena Amanda?
Amanda is my friend, you know her.
Friendy.
But
Oh,
angaze ngamazisa kuwe.
your Uber is leaving, but I will request for you.
ke tla cancel. I'm gonna cancel that. He wena. Yo, I don't even know what to say. Okay, Amanda, wait till jwang ka yena.
Ask if they used condom yesterday.
Amanda umngani wami.
Did you use condom?
For what?
Oh. Yo, o se febe sa monna tle.
So
Butla pit. Butla. Ha ke o fa enough last time.
Yeah?
Ha ke o fa enough last time for you to go and open your legs for some yo.
They opened legs for him. He didn't open.
I get it. Maybe he opened.
Uyalala nomngani wakho.
Ene?
Uyalala nomngani wakho.
Hey, Batong, you said you were with Amanda last night. They asked if I said yo, moshimane oh. Huh?
Ngiyatshela ukuthi umngani wami Amanda.
Mara o nyobana le yena.
Ikuphi proof yalona?
Athi e go be proof last night.
No, Nalena last night.
Batong,
But loo nto ayimini ukuthi bengilele naye.
Benenzani.
yo abafana.
Benenzani.
Esixoxe.
Nixoxa the whole night.
We are not kids, bruh.
Batong,
Angisho umngani wami.
umngani wakho.
Wena uxoxe nomngani wakho.
And you told me that you were going to your mother's house yesterday, wena. So is Amanda your mom now? Aishi, you don't age me and don't ever call me again. Ontwala marete wena.
Ha.
Okay. Yo. Hayi.
Rohana,
Yo hayi ngeke.
So okay, wait. So where's that wrong? Like when I le tlo lokisa ntho ya lona or le tsa.
Ha ke se lokisa, I'm moving forward. Bisi ya tsamaya papa, e tlo nkemela mo.
Tsone tsa tsamaya.
Enge.
Wait, why the wo bonga gona ga rena le backup? It's like you don't care.
Ha ke na backup. Okay, wena, how do you like forgive a cheating partner?
No, cheating is.
Knowing exactly, okay, fine. He was with someone yesterday.
Yona, I know it's a very hard thing.
Exactly. So how do I forgive that person?
But at first you said every man cheat.
Every man cheats.
So
yes.
why umutamba? Because you knew what he's cheating. Why no sometimes the whole time?
Because I wanted proof. And I told you, ha ke tshware phone ya monna because ke tlo ithola ntho ntse ke batla. So this is this is another way of finding out he was cheating. You came at the right time, mate. Came at the right time, Shem. And thank
So
you.
sorry.
Oh.
I'm doing a good job, ne?
Maybe somewhere or you're saying somewhere you are fixing the
Can I request for you?
Yes.
Because I see you.
Yo. Mixed emotions right now.
It's in Valesho again.
Sorry.
It's in Valesho. So request a munch.
Oh.
This is Lily Shaonola from CMTV. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, that was hectic. Don't forget to subscribe. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wena
Bro,
ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina? Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?